Hello onboard friends, I'm Lu. Recently onboard having approached a bunch of the defective battery, so I made this video is for apology anyone who received the battery did not work function as promised, and now we have found out of the problem, also having improved a lot of our battery to fix out the problem. So today that's why I'm here at our battery supply factory to feel down how the battery has been improved and produced. As you can see now, the start is doing the battery welding assembly. This is the first part. We have upgraded the nickel shield welding point from 2 point to 3 point. When they complete, they will put each of these part battery back to the case. So in battery case, this part you can clearly see we have been added the carrier here. It could be support the battery and improve the battery pack structure more tough. This is the second part we have upgraded, and now we use the glue to stick the BMS and lithium battery pack together. And now you can see how we assemble the battery management system. The third part we have upgraded is use the Customized BMS. Make sure your board it can reach the maximum discharge and weld performance. And here's the diagram of the BMS value you can follow below. The start is doing the BMS welding. The first part we have upgraded here is we cancel to use the connector. Now on we directly use welding in case during the writing the connector might come off. When we done for the battery assemble, then we will go for test the battery if everything works functional. When we done for the test, here is a bucket of the black group. We mix it up and put in the catalyst. When this catalyst pull in, then this glue will be solidification within 1 hour. It's kind of like a chemical reaction. And now you will see what is this glue used for. It can value to stick between the battery and the case together. After the glue dry up, it will be sent to our production line. So this is the battery after glue dry up. The ESC group is sandwiched the BMS group. And this is our after upgrade finished product.